Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact photo specifications for your passport application so the office won't reject it. Once you have a compliant printed photo or a digital file, sign the back lightly where required. This links you to the image. Now position the application face up and locate the photo box. Make sure to attach at the edge only. You want the face fully visible and the photo secure without covering required fields or damaging the application during processing. Once done aligning the photo within the application frame, steady your hand and center the head according to the guide marks. A slight shift can cause rejection. If you're attaching a printed photo, use a small dot of removable adhesive or a single strip of clear tape at the top edge so the photo lays flat and can be removed if needed. If submitting electronically, crop to pixel dimensions, keep resolution and compression within limits, and name the file exactly, as the application requires to avoid. You finish by reviewing the attached photo in good light to confirm there's no glare, shadows, or obstructions. Make sure your face and shoulders are fully visible. Next, complete remaining sections, sign where required, submit per the instructions, and keep any receipt or confirmation number. If the application is returned or the upload is rejected, don't panic. Request precise feedback, get a compliant reshoot or adjust file specs immediately, and resubmit quickly to avoid processing delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.